No, no, stop, please stop. Okay. Listen, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take turns. You can try the first question, then I'll do it. You can try the second one, then I'll do it. Okay. You tried the first one, you don't understand it, so now I'll do it. Okay? Right, so this is number 1. Oh, goodness. Right. I'm so tired. You guys make me so tired. Right, first one. So, if I have... Oh, sorry, can you see? Where's my pen gone? Pen. If I have 6.02 times 10 to the 23, that's my cup of coffee. Coffee cups. There's my coffee, okay? That means I have 1 mole of coffee cups. That's a lot of coffee, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If I have 1 cup of coffee, that means I have 1 over 6.02 times 10 to the 23 moles of coffee, which is 1.66 times 10 to the minus 24 moles of coffee cups. You see, mole is a very big unit. So if I only have 1 cup, that means I have not many moles. No, don't. Ask me, what's your question?
What's that number from? 6 1.
That's from chemistry. Avogadro's. What's Avogadro in Chinese? It's the same, isn't it? Avogadro?
Okay.
You know this?
Okay.
Yeah? That's where I got this number. Avogadro.
Okay. So what's the unit for 6.02?
No unit. It's a number, yeah.
Oh, so 1 mole equal this?
Yes. Yes. Do you understand question 1?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Because you 2 didn't. Ben, did you get this? Number 1? No, okay, so write it down now. Khalifa,
Yes.
did you write this down? Yeah? Oh, Ben, we have to cycle in this.
Yeah.
Do you have a raincoat?
No.
Me too.
No, it's some power.
You have a raincoat?
This.
What?
Water doesn't penetrate.
Huh?
Water doesn't penetrate.
So it's a raincoat? Yeah. Okay. Did you write this down? Yes? Somewhere, what are you doing?
I'm right down.
Okay. So now, try question 2, and then I'll do it. Now you need your table I gave you. Remember where I give you the molar mass?
Yes.
You good, yeah, you need that, okay. Get your calculator.
Yeah. Hmm? 0, 1, 3,
0.
4, yeah.
So,
331.9988.
99.
88. Sorry. I write bullshit. Yeah.
How come your alarm goes off every day at 4 o'clock?
Because it's in
She remembers
Chinese
4
time.
o'clock.
Yeah.
So what's 4 o'clock in China? Why is that so special?
12 o'clock. 0 o'clock. In
Okay, but why do you need an alarm for this?
I don't know. I bought this and
Okay.
so
You have an answer?
yeah. Maybe I read this behind,
Maybe.
yeah. But the number is right. Yeah,
Okay, that's fine. You have an answer, Ben? You have an answer for number 2? Will I do number 2 now? Will I put the answer up, number 2?
Please.
Yeah, okay. So, you have air. Air is 70% nitrogen and oxygen is 30%.
Yeah.
Okay? So, the problem here is the molar mass. You actually have two different things mixed together. So, which is bigger? Was it the nitrogen or the oxygen?
Oxygen.
The oxygen is bigger. It's molecules. It's bigger. What is it? It's 1.31.9988
Yeah.
grams per mole,
Yeah.
and the nitrogen
28.0134.
0.134 grams per mole. So, right, if you have 1 mole of oxygen, that's heavier than 1 mole of nitrogen, okay? Now we want the molar mass of the air, but the air is mixed together, so we need to get, the best we can do is get the average, okay? Now it's not 28 plus 32 over 2. Why not?
It's not 50-50.
It's not 50-50, correct. So what should we do, Gao?
70% multiply.
Yes, 0.70 multiply
31.
28.0134 plus 30% multiply 31.9988. This is a little bit like what in chemistry? What does this remind you of in chemistry?
There's a range of what's that called?
Yeah, what's it called?
A weighted average.
Weighted average. Very good. No, you should know this too somewhere.
Sorry.
So the answer is 29.23 grams per mole. You see this when you're looking at the relative atomic mass of isotopes, yeah? Yeah.
Yeah, 2
Okay,
09.
fine, whatever, I don't care.
One can of argon.
1 can of argon.
Yeah, 1 can of argon, good, yeah?
Can?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like that.
ATM?
ATM machine.
ATM is where is my
Here.
Here.
1 ATM is equal to 101,325 Pascals.
K Pascal.
Well, you can write it
Oh,
as
yeah.
1 over, yeah.
This one.
Oh, I have these, I think.
Yeah, you have this. You did this. Right, try number 3 now.
What's P?
P,
Right.
pressure, 1.5 atmospheres, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is pressure. But N, small n is, what is small n is?
I don't tell you the moles.
Okay.
I don't tell you.
T.
Vegetation rate. T.
Temperature.
Yeah.
You got an answer?
Yeah.
What answer did you get?
1.875.
Correct. We'll just give them a minute.
Yeah.
Do you have an answer, Ben? Not yet.
I borrowed.
Oh, you need to calculate it. Got an answer? Got an answer.
Yeah. One point 875.
Good job. Okay. So, look, you have pressure. What's the pressure? 1.5 atmosphere. And the volume is 50 litres. Now, the volume is decreased to 40 litres. So, Boyle said pressure is proportional to 1 over V.
What's that?
Oh,
I use the work
work?
equal P dot V.
No, this symbol, proportional. Do you know this symbol? Proportional. You can check it on your dictionary, okay? So, here, look, you multiply by 0.8. True?
Oh.
It's smaller. So the pressure should be bigger. It would be 1.875 because here you divide by 0.8 because they have this opposite relationship. If the volume is smaller, then the pressure is bigger.
Yeah, I use a stupid way.
No. You got the right answer, so it's not stupid way.
I use the work. Is that work W?
Yeah, use this way.
W equal P dot V.
And you got the right answer.
Yeah.
Amazing. Okay.
That's the only formula I know.
Okay,
P
fine.
religiously.
No, use Boyle's formula. Boyle's law.
I know the word.
Boyle's law. Proportional.
What is kind of math?
It is maths. Is that okay? Proportional? Right. Okay, try number 4 now.
So the Kelvin is 300.
No,
No. 293.
correct. You know this because you do this in chemistry, right? Kelvin? Oh, really?
Okay.
Not yet. Ben, maybe, did you do Kelvin in chemistry with Lorraine? Dunno? Okay.
Yeah.
What's wrong, go?
Oh, yeah.
Convert to
Yeah, plus 273.
This is 化式.
What's washer?
Kelvin.
In
Kelvin.
Kelvin temperature.
Okay.
This is yeah.
So, is this right?
No. Zero.
Is that it?
Zero. Is it
1 or 0?
Zero.
So, 0 equal this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
False. Mm-hmm.
8.31 is or.
Uh-uh.
8.31.
In the test, we will in the test.
Yes.
Can you give us the R and
Yes.
the N?
Yes.
Oh, that's all.
You get the or. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, we can't use ATM for pressure.
No.
Okay.
Must be pascals.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready for number 4?
Sorry, 1 minute.
1 minute? Okay.
1.204 times 10 raised to the power 55.
You're off a little bit, it looks like.
Oh,
it's too lot of calculator.
Okay, let's have a look.
Yeah.
A tank of oxygen is kept at 3 atmospheres in the room. So the pressure is 3 times 101, 325. So that's 303,975 pascals. Fine, yeah?
Yeah.
The temperature is 20 Celsius, so plus 273, so it's 283, it's actually 283.15 Kelvin,
Yeah.
don't worry about that. The
Um,
volume, what's the volume?
we
It's
don't-
100 litres, isn't it?
No, we don't know.
Yeah, it's
No.
right there.
But if the tank has a volume of
100 litres, that's equal to 0.1 metre cubed.
Pardon.
no,
293.
it's a tank of oxygen is kept
Thank
at
you.
pressure of 3 atoms in a room at. It don't says what's the value.
Of what, the volume?
Yeah.
It's all right there, 100 litres.
No.
Milliliter 0.1.
Yeah,
Meter square.
yeah. Cubed.
Cube.
No. It's.
What do you mean, no,
I think it's we should calculate the volume first and
yeah.
它这不应该是
1方米等于1千升。
What's wrong? What's wrong with him? What's wrong? What's the confusion?
这个可以算出来那个体积，然后但是如果它这个就是问你体积变成100升。
Okay, that's enough Chinese now. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's the problem?
Okay. He thought the first sentence he can use that conditional calculate volume, and the second sentence is means if the volume changed to 100 liters. I think he misunderstands.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. PV equals nRT. So if you look at the beginning, do
Yeah.
you know P?
Yes.
Yeah.
You do.
Yeah. And
Do you know V? You don't.
Don't.
Do you know N?
No.
You don't.
The oxygen.
You don't know the N.
Oxygen.
You don't know the N. You don't know how many moles.
Oh.
You know the molar mass.
Yeah.
You don't know how many moles. Do you know the or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know the T?
Yes.
Yeah. So you don't have enough information. You
Yeah.
must know the V.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what am I asking you for? How many atoms? So first the N is PV over RT.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's 303,975 times 0.1 over 8.31 times 293.15. That's the number of moles. Moles. But how do I get the number of atoms?
Multiply
2?
No. Multiply by Avogadro. Avogadro.
What's
That's the 6. So you put that in here for n, in here for n, and the answer comes out to be 1.56 times 10 to the 25 atoms of oxygen.
We don't need more mass.
No, you don't actually need the molar mass.
More mass. We don't know. We don't need.
We don't need to know it.
Okay.
We don't need to know it, yeah. True.
I think I calculate wrong because I get wrong.
What did you get for moles? How many moles?
12.48.
12.48? Yeah, maybe. 12.48 times this is not this?
No.
Oh, maybe it's my mistake. Can I see the calculator, please? Let's calculate. 303,975 times 0.1 divided by 8.31. Sorry, my mistake. This number, you're right, Ben, it's wrong. It's 7.51 times 10 to the 24 atoms.
他错了，
啊
确
，OK.
实是20多个。
Thanks, Ben.
So that's wrong.
Yeah, it's 7.51 times 10 to the 24.
It's 24?
Isn't that what it said on my calculator screen?
I can't count.
I checked again.
No, just go back. You can just go back. If we press back. Yeah, times 6.02 times 10 to the 23. Yeah, this is what I got. Right, can we go to the next one?
Okay.
Try number 5, so.
Should we use Sanskrit here? No?
It's not necessary, I don't think. It's not necessary. got an answer?
I don't know how to
How to
calculate
calculate
pressure.
the pressure?
Okay, let's do it now. What's the temperature? The temperature is 283 Kelvin.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the pressure? 1 atmosphere. Why? Because you're driving a car outside.
Oh,
The pressure's 1 atmosphere.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a point.
It is a very good point. Now, I drive a car that releases 119 grams of carbon dioxide per kilometre. I'm driving 120 kilometres per hour for 1 hour. So what's the mass of the CO2? Well, how many kilometres do I drive?
12,000.
Should
No.
120.
Huh?
Yeah.
No converts to meter?
Oh,
Or
okay.
119.
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah, because one hours you have the 119.
Is that kilometer with gram?
No, listen carefully. When the car moves 1 kilometre, 119 grams of CO2 comes out. So if I drive for 1 hour, it means I drive 120 kilometres. Each kilometre releases this much CO2. So this is the total. Yeah?
Yeah.
What number is that now? 14.28 kilograms. Yeah? 14.28. Or in other words, 1428. Is it? No, that doesn't look right. No.
14.28.
Is this?
Yeah, it's this.
Kilograms.
Yeah.
That's equal to 14280 grams.
Yeah, that's what I say, because I changed.
Okay, fine. How many moles is that? So that's 14280 divided by, what's the molar mass?
44.0095.
Okay, so how many moles is that?
3.
No, it's not this.
300 to.
324.
Is this this?
This one.
Okay, sorry, I wasn't looking correctly, sorry. 324.5 moles. Yeah? Ah, what?
Meter per gram.
You see?
So I changed to kilometer to
Ah.
meter and multiplied gram.
No. Because, look, just listen, okay? When the car moves 1 kilometre, how much CO2 comes out?
119.
119. Okay. If it moves 2 kilometres, it's 2 multiplied 119. It's not 2000 multiplied by 119, because I say in the question, each kilometre is 119. Okay? It's not 1000 multiplied 119.
Okay.
It's 1 kilometre gives 119. No need to convert. Yes? Okay. Okay, so look, PV equals nRT.
Yeah.
So V is nRT over P. Right, so that's 324.5 times 8.31 times 283 over 101,325. And that's equal to 7.54 meters cubed. Okay? So that means my journey, my 1 hour journey, released 7.5 meters cubed of CO2.
It's too long.
No, it's not too long.
No, I think it will be the Earth will be destroyed by us. Yeah,
Do you think it's too big or too small?
too bigger.
Too big?
Yeah.
Eh,
One car have
yeah.
uh,
So
But no-
1 million cars
yeah.
would have a million of this.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bicycle.
Bicycle's good, yes.
Rectangle number 6.
Number 6 is very hard. Okay. I'll do number 6 because it's very hard. So let's do it now.
Do you have colors in the ground?
I've seen one like this before. Can I go down number 6? Oh my goodness. I'm so tired. Yeah, look, okay, we'll finish with this one. Alright, let's do it together, okay? So, number 6. There are 2 flasks, each of volume V. So this one has volume V, and this one here has volume V.
You want to do right?
Yeah, no, I tell you they're the same volume, so just call them V and V. Well, I mean, yeah, you can say V1. You could say V1 equals V and V2 equals V. They're connected by a narrow tube and the flasks are filled with nitrogen. When both flasks are placed in boiling water, the pressure will be half an atmosphere. So here when the temperature is 100 Celsius and 100 Celsius, the pressure in the system is half an atmosphere. Okay? That's okay so far?
Mm.
Right. First question is find how many moles there are. So, you have the formula PV equals N or T. Okay, what's the P here? The P is 101,325 over 2. What's the V? What's the V? We don't know. It's, look, it's 2V. The V, how much nitrogen is there? 2V. Okay, equals N or, and what's the temperature? 383. 373. That's what I meant to say. 0.15. Okay, so that cancels that, and you can get N equals 101,325V over 8.31, 373.15. Now I hope that equals 32.676V. I hope.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Part 2. In the question I say, one of these flasks you keep in boiling water, and then the other one you put it into ice. So you put some ice here. What is the temperature in this flask now? It's 0 Celsius. Part B. Find how many moles are in flask A when it's in boiling water. And also for B when, okay, so I want to know what is N1 here and N2 here when this is in boiling water and this is in ice water. Okay, so look, do I tell you the pressure? And it's a different pressure. The pressure is now P not equal to half an atmosphere. Before I continue, do you think the new pressure will be bigger or smaller if you put this into ice?
Smaller.
It'd be smaller. I think so too. Yeah, it should be smaller. Okay. So, P1 or P V equals N or T. So the P we don't know, the V we don't know, the N we don't know, the R we know, and the T, do we know or do we not know? What do we think? We do. If we're just looking here,
100.
it's one, yeah, so that's 373.15.
And
Yeah?
0.
So
Yeah.
N1 equals PV over 8.31 times 373.15. And I hope that's PV over, is that 3100.9 roughly?
It's the same.
Yeah, it's this, okay? Alright, C. I want you to calculate N2. So you see, for N2 you do the same thing, right? Is the P still P? Yes? The V still V? Yes? What's the only thing different for N2? The temperature will be 273.15. So this will be PV over 2269.9, I think, roughly.
That's right.
That's right? Okay. Part D. Find P. Okay. This is not as hard as you might think. So look, we know N1 plus N2 should equal N.
Yeah.
So that means PV over 3100.9 plus PV over 2269.9 should equal 32.676 V. Cancel, cancel, cancel. So now you have P over 3100.9. No, do you know what? Actually, I'll take P out. P 1 over 3100.9. Yeah. So then P will equal 32.676 over 1 over 3100.9 plus 1 over 2269.9. So you end up getting 0.423 atmospheres. You got an answer somewhere? Give me the nice calculator. 32.676 over 1 over 3100.9 plus 1 over 2269.9. Look, Summer, this.
I don't know what happened. Yeah, yeah, it's
No, look. 42823.
Yeah, 42823.
Is that what you got?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, sorry, you did.
In
But then, wait. You have to. I want to convert into atmospheres.
So
Divide 101,325. Go on, divide 101,325.
1
01325.
Sorry. Sorry.
What you get?
Two, three.
Ah, no, come on.
I don't know what happened.
Look, see?
Sorry. I divide wrong side. Yeah.
Somewhere.
Sorry.
Is it time to go home?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's time to go home. Right. Wait!
Oh, no.
I need you to do these. You're not doing your homework, okay? I need you to do the next lesson at home. The thermodynamics lesson.
Too much homework.
Well, this is life.
2 essays in English, 1 chemistry, 800 words.
And your physics, 800 words.
Yes, 800, sorry, yes. And another assignment in physics, chemistry today.
今晚
I know.
Another.
很大。
I know, it's tough. It's a tough program. Don't go home. Just go to the library and do your work.
So let him go home now. Later.
You'll do your work later.
嗯哼。